Smudge Tool. Another tool in CorelDRAW X3 is Smudge Tool. Smudge Tool is used to modify shape of any object by changing its outline and edge. This is the Smudge Tool. Choose the circle object and choose the Smudge Tool and click on the object. A warning box appears, which will ask you to convert your object as a curve object. Click on OK. Just move the Smudge Brush tool over the object edge, like this. Note the edge of the circle. Now let's see properties for Smudge Brush tool. We will start with Nib Size. With this option, we can adjust the size of Smudge Brush nib according to our requirement. Nib size can be specified within the range, which starts from 0.03 to 2.0. Next property is Add Dryout to the effect. With this option, we can set the dryout for the brush. Here we can give both positive and negative value. Positive value makes the distortion short and sharp, and negative value makes the distortion long and smooth. Default value for this option is 0. Maximum value is 10, and a minimum value is -10. This is the same as moving your finger over wet paint. I hope you are able to use this smudge tool and all of its properties. Interactive Contour Tool. In this lesson, we will see one very interesting tool, Interactive Contour Tool. This is Contour Tool. Helps to contour object with concentric lines in a progressive manner, from inside to outside, or from outside to inside. The keyboard shortcut for this tool is Shift plus F9. Let us see working of this tool. To use this tool, let's draw a rectangle shape and fill it with color of your choice. Choose the Contour tool from Toolbox and click on the edge and drag the mouse pointers to the center of the object. As you can see here, a small rectangular box. When we move this box up and down, the number of concentric shapes can increase and decrease. Now, properties of Interactive Contour Tool are Presets, Add Preset and Delete Preset. This option helps to choose from the predefined presets, or you can add or delete any of the presets. To center inside or outside. Here you can specify the direction of contour as towards center or inside or outside. Contour steps and offset. This option helps to specify the number of steps and to set offset values between each step, that is, space between each step. Linear, clockwise and counterclockwise counter color. Here we can specify the direction of contour color as linear, clockwise or counterclockwise. Outline and fill color. With the help of this option, we can specify the outline and fill color. Object and color acceleration. With the help of this acceleration of object or color, it can be adjusted together or separately by selecting the lock key. Clear contour. This option will help to remove contour. Now you can easily contour your shapes using Contour Tool. Try this tool and play with the different designs.